I'm your host, Nadia Khan. Welcome to Nambarter TV.
Imagine a world where every corner is filled with chaos and uncertainty. Now, picture a single light piercing through that darkness. That light is Juma Mubarak. My name is Juma, and I've traversed continents with a simple yet profound mission: to sow seeds of love, peace, and harmony. Where I come from, life hasn't been easy. I've faced my share of storms, but my faith has been my anchor, guiding me through tempests toward tranquility. As I walk through bustling streets and quiet villages, my heart fills with stories of people, their struggles, their joys, and their undying hope. These encounters aren't just meetings, they're connections, moments where two hearts speak a universal language of compassion. Whether it's a shared meal or a comforting word, every act of kindness is a ripple in the ocean of humanity. My journey isn't about the miles I travel, but the lives we touch together. And every smile, every tear wiped away, strengthens my belief that one person truly can make a difference. So here I am, sharing my story, not for accolades or praise, but in hope that it will inspire you. To believe that despite the chaos, there is harmony. In place of hatred, there can be love. And for every moment of despair, there is an endless possibility of peace. Join me in this journey of faith, hope, and resilience. Together, let's be the change we wish to see in the world. Because in the end, we are all but travelers in the journey of life. And what matters most is the good we do along the way. This is Juma Mubarak, and this, our friends, is a blessing in disguise.